Hello everyone, I welcome you all to this astrology channel. So I am following here the Vedic astrology. So this video will teach you how to make your birth chart using free software. So I have opened here one website, that is the vedicastrologer.org/JH. So this JH means Jagannatha Hora. So here you can see this is a free Vedic astrology software, and this is most widely used by the astrologers in India because this one is free and this one is accurate one. So how you can download? You just need to go to this website www.vedicastrologer.org/JH. You can find here this download option. So from this download option, you can find the setup file or you can download the setup file. So from that setup file, you can directly install it into your PC. The latest version is here 8.0. Let me open the software. So I have already downloaded this Jagannatha Hora software. So I will show in this video how you can find out different options that will be beneficial for your different calculations and interpretation of birth chart. So this software is most widely used. Why? What is the reason? First of all, it is one of the most accurate software. There are another softwares. I am not promoting this software basically, but I am giving you a reference because this is a free software, free full version software. So when you need to see one birth chart, so you need to have the Rashi chart, you need to have the D9 chart, that is the Navamsa chart, D10 for career, and so on. So first of all, you need to go here, this new, or go to file, then new. So these two options are the same. So let me click here new. Then you will have to go to the edit birth data. So when you click, a pop-up menu will occur here. So for suppose your birth date is suppose 3rd of December. Okay, so suppose December, then and the birth year is suppose 1993, and your birth time is suppose 9:30 a.m. Here you can see we have two options. One is the AM PM, that is the for 12-hour clock format, and another is the 24-hour format also. You can choose any one of them. So here we can see we have the gender option also, but this gender option you can select here. This gender option you can select here, but it will not have any impact on the birth chart. Here you can see some Gemini Dasa variations need this. Okay, this gender option, male or female, it is required for some Gemini Dasa. This is another aspect of astrology. This is another kind of astrology, we can say. We are following the Parasari Jyotish, and suppose our city name, that is city name, suppose Delhi, India. Okay, so here you can write here. So here you can click. So Delhi is in Canada also, Delhi is India also. We are going to select the Delhi, India. From here you can directly select. Or if you have any custom location and there is no nearby cities, you might not find your city name here. So for that case, you can directly go to your country time zone. This is the 5:30 time zone for India, and you can put the longitude here. This is the eastern longitude 77, and this is in minute and second. Okay, you can go to very minute details, and we can put also the latitude also here, and altitude means it is the height of your place from the sea surface. Okay, so altitude also, here you have atmospheric pressure also, you can put here atmospheric temperature also, you can put here. In this way you can calculate your birth chart. So in this way you have to enter the various details for getting your birth chart, then press OK. So now you can see when we have, this is the December 3rd 1993, and the time of birth is suppose 9:30 in the morning. Okay, 9:30 a.m. in the morning, that is the, and the place is suppose Delhi, India. Then what will happen? This lagna, this first house will show you the lagna, and this 9 number here represents the lagna of the native. So here you can see this 9 number means it is Sagittarius or Dhanu Rashi. Okay, Sagittarius sign. So for this native, the lagna is in Sagittarius. That means at the time of the birth of the native, the Sagittarius sign was rising at the eastern horizon, because I told you this direction, this is the east direction, this one is the west direction, here we have the south direction, and in the left hand side we have the north direction. So you can see for this native, all the planets or most of the planets are positing in the 12th house. I am not going to draw any interpretation here in this video. This is just for showing how you can find out the Rashi chart. So first, this one chart represents the Rashi chart. Here you can see this D9 chart. D9 chart means this is the Navam chart. This is actually looked for, this is analyzed for the internal strength of the planets as well as the partnership or marriage. D10 is also there. So all the divisional chart you can find out using this software. So from here you can find all the divisional chart. We have D9, D10, D1 is the Rashi chart, or we can say that this is the ascendant or Lagna chart. These are the various chart or divisional chart as per the given details. We can find out the Lagna degree is at 21 degrees, that is Sagittarius sign, as they mean Sagittarius sign, and we have this 00 minute and 44 second. Okay, and the nakshatra, Lagna nakshatra is in Purvasara nakshatra. You can see here, and the pada is 3. Pada means sign is 3. So here we can see the different degrees of various planets. We have Sun, Moon, Mars, Mercury, then Jupiter, Venus, Saturn, Rahu, Ketu, and there are some other also. These are not required for general purpose. We need only the Lagna degree. The Moon degree is in 3 degree, that is in Cancer. Cn means here Cancer sign. So your birth Rashi will be the Cancer sign. It is in Punarvasu nakshatra. So here you can see nakshatra and pada here. So in this way you can make the horoscope using the Jagannatha Hora software. There are some other aspects also. Here you can scroll your mouse wheel to see some other details. Here you can see it is the Srimukha Kartika, that is the lunar year month, and then we have Tithi is Krishna Saturdashi. Okay, these are the some specific details about the child. So Vedic weekday is, that is the Friday, and nakshatra is Punarvasu nakshatra. Punarvasu nakshatra ruling lord is Jupiter. Ju means Jupiter. Here you can see nakshatra, this Punarvasu comes from here. This moon is in Punarvasu nakshatra. Here this Sadvala is very much important for finding out the planet strength, how much is the effect of a specific planet on your life. So sun has 92% effect, moon has 123. So this moon, Jupiter and the Saturn, they are strong enough to give you result. But you can see the sun, Mars, Mercury and Venus, these are some of somewhat weak planets. So whenever the Dasa, Antardasa will come for these planets, then the results will be somewhat inferior, or you have to put some more effort to get the proper result. Okay, in this way you can see the Sadvala, and there are different Vala that are calculated. Next we have some other strength. So other strength, you can see these are the some specific strength. You can see the yogas also, planetary yogas. Yoga means it is formed from the combination or aspect from various planets or position of a planet in different Rashi. So you can see Vasi Yoga is there, Nipuna, Kamadruma, Gajakesari, and Kedara Yoga is there, Sarala Yoga is there, Vimala Yoga is there, Sadhu Yoga is there, Trilosan, so many Yoga, Raja Yoga is there, Dharma Karma Adipati Yoga is there. So these are the various yogas, these are the results ascribed by the yuga, and how these yugas are also formed, this is given on the right hand side here. Okay, so this software is very much useful. So now let us go to our dasa. So this dasa of a planet, so this dasa represents the period or the ruling. Suppose in the year 2000, year in the month of suppose August, what is the dasa antardasa? We have to find out. So in the year 2000, this will lie in this period 1994 to 2013. This is the period of Saturn. So you have to go to the 2000 year. So here 2000 year, it is starting from this December. So you have to go to the previous, that is Saturn dasa, Ketu antardasa, and in the month of August, you can see, suppose 10th of August, then what will happen from here, from 9th August, it is the Saturn Pratyantar Dasa. You need not to go to in this detail. This 3 is sufficient enough to to predict any event. So actually this Vimsattari Dasa is usually followed in the Kali Yuga, and it is most followed by the most of the astrologer, and it is the best followed by most of the astrologers across India and across the world. We can also select different dasa. From you can click here, okay, and from here you can put the starting point from different option also. Suppose you want to find out some specific calculation, you can select any one of these dasa. But this Vimsattari dasa is actually calculated from the Janma Tara, that is moon nakshatra. Okay, in this way you can calculate. You can select different dasa also. So from here you can right click and you can choose different other dasa, that is the Astattari dasa, Kalasakra dasa, Yogini dasa. There are so many dasa periods or dasa calculations methods are there for calculating this different dasa, but this Vimsattari dasa is usually followed. Different astrologers use different dasa system, and from that you can predict the various events means suppose when will be my marriage date. So you can calculate from the dasa antardasa, as well as you have to see the transit also. Here you can see this transit tab. So from transit, this is the natal chart, rashi chart, natal d9, and you can see the transit also. From here there are so many options. Tajaka is there, Tithi Pravesa is there, Mundan astrology is also a part of this software. Then we have this miscellaneous. Okay, the basics we have already seen. So in this way, using this software, you can find out your birth rashi, birth nakshatra, birth lagna, and lagna nakshatra also you can find out, and from that you can predict the different events in your life. What will be the area of your suppose career? In that way you can find out from your ascendant. So this much for today. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, please put it in the comment section below. Also like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.